Hi there! Today's our project is a tote bag. So I'm showing you what we will need. This is our pattern. The next one that I'm gonna show you is take and lay the lining wrong side up. And what you wanna do is lay the cotton batting. And then take the main fabric one, line it up along the edge. Now stitch along the line. If you want to make a bias tape, you should focus on that 45-degree line, and the bias tape size is 4 centimeters. So now we are gonna cut the bias tapes. Our next step is put them right sides together and stitch. Now you want to trim the excess fabrics. The next one we are gonna do is take and lay the bias tapes on the main fabric and pinning. So now stitch along the line. Don't go your thread when you clip the seam. Now wrap it up because we are gonna stick some pins. Let us stitch. Our next step is take our pattern and fold it in half. And then cut the bottom with your scissors. So now we're gonna draw a line 6 centimeters away from the edge. Next, you wanna cut it along the line. Lay the main fabric too and the lining right sides together and stitch along the line. Now turn it right side out and poke its corner. Next, you want to press it with your iron. Make sure you do the same thing with the other one. Our next step is lay the main fabrics 2 and the main fabric 1. So now stitch along the lines. After sewing, you can grab each side of the edge and fold them toward the center and then stick a pin to stitch. Now you can make the opposite side in the same way. Stick some pins to fix each section. let us stitch along where I'm pointing my finger. Take the bias tape and fold it 1 centimeter at the edge. Next, you want to stick some pins all the way around. Now stitch along where I'm pointing my finger. Maybe you already know, wrap it up and stick some pins to leather stitch. Now turn it right side out. Let's take the fabrics to make our handles. You can fold it 2 times like me and stitch along the lines. If you have 2 handles, you can take the back and put the handle on the back. So now we are gonna stitch along the lines with your hand because we shouldn't show the stitching at the outside. Now you want to stitch along the lines with your sewing machine at the outside. After sewing, we are just gonna turn it right side out. Finished. For more easy sew projects, play these videos all the way to the end. Here we go!